Welcome to Architecture. We are glad that we have chosen our ultimate goal of satisfying you by taking full responsibility for your structure. As we know how precious time is, we value your time. We respect your thoughts and ensure the bare land given to our hands will be given as your dreamed and desired building. We are following a system that helps us quickly complete our job in all possible ways to hand over your dream construction on time. Initially, we will send our architects to your site for a visit to analyze and note each required detail. Then a meeting will be scheduled between you and us for a discussion and understanding of the necessity and possibilities. Every need can be customized according to your wish. After that, the 2D plan will be designed and your personalized code will be raised upon confirmation. We promise you that this will be done within a week. As a token of your trust in us, we do all this for free. Your confirmation is needed to keep our next step in building your dream house. Once you agree to continue the project with us, we will start designing a 3D elevation to visualize your dream house. Our architect team will draw a detailed architectural drawing at the same time. Our design team will be in the process of drawing the structural sketch. Simultaneously, our execution department will take care of approvals and other mobilization work required for the construction at your site. At last, our quantity survivor team will be preparing the job orders. The planning, schedule with each detail and the 7 milestone chart with the exact accomplishment date will be ready to hand over this project to you within the agreed period. All the sanitary fittings and flooring will be selected by you and one of our teammates will be there to assist you. We are flexible, understanding as well as transparent regarding all your requirements. We value your time, money and thoughts and ensure that your house become your identity. This is our promise to you. Thank you.